welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm not in my regular little environment. I am in a hotel bathroom because me and Amir are going to Chris Brown Little Baby concert tonight. So this is Get Ready With Me. We're just gonna get right into it. I don't have much time. I probably have like an hour to get ready because we want to catch, they have a shuttle at the hotel that takes you there, so we want to catch the shuttle. So I'm gonna try my best to do hair, makeup, and outfit in like an hour. So first gonna do my skin stuff, gonna wash my face and everything, get that out of the way before I do my hair, and then come back to do my makeup. So to wash my face, gonna be using the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. I'm gonna keep the skincare like to a minimum because I'm not gonna wear any makeup for that long, so I don't really want to like overdo it. But I still want to have a nice clean foundation before I put on the makeup. You really don't know how dirty your face is until you're using white washcloths to like wipe off the cleanser. I have no idea my face was that dirty. Okay, so for my toner, I'm gonna use the Fenty Skin, the Fat Water. I have this one for a really long time because I have yet to buy the big one. I just haven't. I don't use this all the time. Kind of just like my go-to when I need a quick toner serum combo. Then for moisturizer, if I had the Fenty Skin moisturizer, I would use it, but I don't have the Fenty Skin moisturizer anymore because I use it all. So I'm just gonna use the Sephora Beauty, All Day Hydrator for moisturizer. So for my hair, I have clip-ins in my hair right now because I want it to length, and I'm going to be doing some crimps in them. These are, I think these are 18 inches of kinky straight clip-ins, but I used these when I had my graduation and they held up pretty good. And I really want to crimp them because you can see like the bluntness of my own hair, like in the clipping. So I just want to give it a little bit of texture so it blends a little better. I'm going to just spray down my hair with the Kristen S Blow Dry Assist. And just because I don't have another heat protectant, and this is like double the heat protectant and my blow dry styler. Then I'm using this crimp iron. I don't remember where I got this crimp iron. I've had it for a really long time, for at least like 5 years. I've had this crimp iron. I don't know where I got it. Oh, but it's Revlon. Yeah, that's all I know. Okay, so I already did one side, you see, and you can still kind of see like the division of my hair and the clip-ins, but I just feel like because it's a little textured, it doesn't look as bad as when it's straight. And I did this side off camera because I didn't really want to be distracted, but simple process, just using the crimp iron. Okay, so I did decide to do the side part instead of the middle part. I don't know, it's just more, it's like catering to the volume a little bit more, and I feel like it shows even less of like my actual hair, and it's just giving very much like, it's giving like Nicki Minaj at that one award show. I don't know what the award show is, but when she was like, you know, had the wavy with the little leaf out, that's what it's giving. So have an hour, less than an hour, so get to the makeup. All right, so we're doing makeup, so I gotta get close and personal. First, I'm going to use some lip balm to keep my lips moisturized. I'm using the e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in mint and Mighty Mint, just to keep those lips moisturized during this process. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Smooth and Blur Primer. A little on my hand and just do it like that. We just getting straight into it. We doing this real quick. Foundation, gonna be using the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in medium dark 1. I'm not even sure this is my color anymore because I got so tan. I didn't get a tan for like 2 years because of COVID. And now I have this tan. And even though this is like Sheer Glow Foundation, it is pretty like covering. Get close and personal with me. Oh my God. Okay, that's it for the foundation. I'm really doing this quickly. I like to do the contour first. So I'm gonna use my Sephora Beauty Gel Serum Concealer in Chocolate Souffle. Put a little on my hands. I don't like to put it directly on my face because it's too much, and less is more. And I like using this little flat brush because it helps to like cut it. But it's already like not perfect, so it's okay. Concealer, I'm gonna be using NARS Creamy, I can't speak. The NARS, what is it called? The NARS, why don't I just read it? Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm using 2, using this mini one in Caramel and then this big one in Cafe Au Lait. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't speak French. But I'm annoyed because this is actually my skin color now. So I guess maybe that's for the best. But I bought a new one, a big one, like the other one, and I lost it. And then I bought another big one and I have no idea where it is. But now it's like my skin color, so. I mean, it's good to use on those no makeup days now for me, but as like a brightener, no. So that's why I use the lighter one just to like really get in that corner. Define that lift, and not on my forehead. I don't want my forehead to look lighter than it already is. Going in with this brush first, just to get the coverage good. Dabbing it, getting that lift going. Now I'm gonna go in with that beauty blender and really just like press that into my skin. Now I'm gonna bake, not bake, but set with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder, my favorite powder to use ever. So affordable and it just looks so good. So I'm just gonna like roll my beauty blender onto the top and then get right under. Again, I'm gonna be wearing a mask, but for the pics. It's for the pics. So just gonna use my regular brow stylist definer pencil on the brows just to get them defined and arched because I didn't do my eyebrows. Yeah. Okay, so brows are done. Now we're gonna go with my contour. It's not even blended. I'm gonna blend it out with the bottom of this beauty blender. Just, it's not blended and I don't wanna be looking crazy. It's just like, just cause you want to have somebody look crazy, so I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. Gonna concealer a little bit here, a little bit there. Not a lot, I'm not going crazy. Take the blender and just blend that out. Also trying a look I've never tried before, so that's fun when we're like running out of time. So it's all good though, it's gonna be good. So going to set it, the powder. I do not want it to crease. Take this fluffy brush. Y'all know this brush is like, I don't know, it's just near, never getting rid of it. Now I'm gonna go in with, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with Sandy Bum. This brown, little brown color right there. And I'm just gonna give it a little dimension, give it a little color. If I was looking crazy, would y'all tell me? Y'all are mean on the internet. Yeah, we're running out of time, we're running out of time. It's all good. Going with this little crease brush, unnamed brand, I don't know the name of the brand. And we're gonna go in with Spiced, this little pinkish color. And we're gonna do this real light, put that in the crease, like even more in the crease. And put it in the crease. This is the color. This is the color aspect of this look. And then I'm just gonna take the same brush and use sea salt. I've been dying to use this sea salt color right here. And it's very like light. So I'm just gonna start from the corner and work my way out. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I don't know if y'all can tell, it's just like a very subtle little sparkle. That looks so cute. Okay, loving it. We love that. Y'all already know Fenty bronzer Bang Y'all. It is what it is at this point. Like, if I would have known that I was gonna be this tan though, I probably would have. I have darker bronzers, and I probably would have used those instead of this one, but it's still, y'all know, I'm not even, I should just say bronzer at this point. I never really use another. This is like my main bitch. Sorry for cussing. This is my main, okay? If it's bronzer, it's Fenty, and it's this exact color. Blush, same thing with the blush. Blush, it's Maybelline Fit Me, and that's it. Ooh, that's like a little more pigmented. Hit the nose. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Got it. Gonna use a little bit of my lip balm. We're getting creative here now. Now we're getting creative. We're getting creative, okay? Little lip balm. Take a little bit of my brown concealer. Just a little bit. Taking a little bit of that bright concealer. I'm not gonna do it on the wand so it doesn't get like messed up with the product. A little bit of that. A little more. Gonna blot it with tissue. We just want that color. Don't want excess. Cute. And then for a little bit, I do mean a little bit of color, I'm gonna go in with the Retro Paradise palette and get just a little bit of that spiced eyeshadow and put that right on top. Get this little trick. Use eyeshadow for this color. These earrings, got these from Pretty Little Thing. very cute little chunky boots. The backs did fall out. I had to change the backs to like some other backs that I had because the ones that came with these earrings were just like sliding off and I kept almost losing them. It's giving 70s. This wasn't the vibe I was going for, but this is what it is. It's giving very 70s. And then this cute little bracelet. I think I also got them from Crimped thing, but I actually really don't remember where I got this bracelet from. Okay, so here's the finished look. I am gonna wear a jacket over this, but this top is from. This top is from H&M. The bottoms are also from H&M. I don't know what else is from. And then I'm gonna have a jacket, jean jacket over this, and then you just see that it's giving very 70s. This wasn't the vibe that I was going for. This just is what came out of this. So. Yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. I gotta get going because you're already late. You've done this for show already. But okay, so hope y'all enjoyed. Catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all next time. Love you. Bye.